Hello everyone, I am Akash and I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to talk about some of the VS Code extensions for CSS. So these are some of the extensions that you should have in your VS Code if you write any CSS. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first one in the list is CSS-auto-prefix. So this is the extension that will automatically write all the prefixes required by an attribute in CSS. So there are some properties in CSS like transform, which also has some prefixes that you can write. So the Moz prefix, as you can see, it is for Mozilla Firefox, and then for Microsoft's Internet Explorer, Opera. So these are the prefixes that you should write to have this property compatible for those browsers. So we have to write these prefixes every single time we use any of these properties. So wouldn't it be nice to have these written for us automatically? That can be possible with this extension, that is the CSS auto-prefix. So this extension will automatically write these prefixes for the required attributes in CSS. So I have installed it. Now let's try it. So I'm just going to write transform. So now I'm going to press enter, and as you can see here that these all prefixes for different browsers are automatically written. So now here I'm going to write rotate and tab. So as you can see, it is automatically written for all these three transforms as well. And I'm going to write 30 degrees, and it's that simple. Now if you want to change it for other browser, then you can do this, but if you change it here, then it is going to be changed for all those others as well. So this is the use of this CSS auto-prefix extension. Now the next extension in our list is CSS Flexbox Cheetsheet. So this is that extension. So this extension is for those who are getting started with CSS Flexbox, and they can refer to this. They don't have to visit websites every now and then, and they can directly refer to all the different Flexbox properties right here in the VS Code. So how they can do that is they just have to open the command palette with Ctrl+Shift+P and just write open CSS Flexbox Cheetsheet, and this is going to open this. And here, as you can see, all of the different Flexbox properties are here, and you can see this little diagrams, and you can even see how these different values work. So this is pretty good. This is the extension for those who are getting started, and even for other people who just want to quickly refer to any of the Flexbox properties, then this is the extension for you. And here are some resources for the Flexbox, so you can check these out as well. So this is the extension, the CSS Flexbox Cheetsheet. Now the last but not the least extension is CSS Compressor. So this extension is going to turn out to be really useful for you. So this extension firstly can beautify your CSS with just a shortcut key, and using that same shortcut you can also minify your CSS file. So let's try it out. So I'm going to first install it, and as you can see, the shortcut is Shift-Alt-F. Now let me show you how you can use it. So let me write some CSS properties here. So let's have a margin 10 pixels, then let's have padding of 20 pixels, let's have font size of, let's say, 20 pixels. And now I'm going to take a div and have a font width as, let's say, 800. So this is just for the testing purpose. So this is our CSS file. So now let's go ahead and use that shortcut. So it is Shift-Alt-F. So as you can see, this is now somewhat minified. It is not totally minified. So now let's go into the setting of this extension, and here let's edit this settings.json. And as you can see here that the format is keep breaks. Now if you go into the extension details, and here as you can see that this is right now the settings that we can see here. So this is keep breaks. That means the file will be minified, but it will not be totally minified, and every different selector will be on its own line, and there will be a line break when there is a new selector. So as you can see here in our CSS file that we have this HTML selector, and then we have this div1, and they both are on a different line. So this is because of this. And now if you want to beautify this, then we can use this beautify format. So let's change this, and now let's use the shortcut Shift-Alt-F. But as you can see, it is not working. Now this is because you will have to just restart your VS Code. So let's just close it, and this is my file. So I'm going to open it again, and now let's use that shortcut Shift-Alt-F. So as you can see, it is now beautified. So let's go into our extension again, and let's go into the settings, and now let's just remove it. So if you want to minify it, then you just have to keep this blank, and let's go here and just restart. Now let's use the shortcut Shift-Alt-F. Now as you can see, there is no line break, so this is now minified. So this is how this extension works. So these were the 3 extensions that you should try, and let me know if you use any of such useful extensions. Then write them in the comments down below. I'll be happy to check them out. So if you like it, then hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I guess that's it for this one, and I will see you in the next one.